Damn it, GoPro. All right, hold on, we're having technical difficulties here. All right. I just talked about the dune buggy. I'm actually, since I've got the cat be gone out of the dune buggy already, at least with the majority of it's left, I'm gonna take it and put it in the paint sprayer to winterize it, because it is getting pretty brisk down here, and come on, I don't have the funds to buy another paint sprayer because my dumbass left it with water in it. Last job I had, I was spraying latex in a house, so it's just got water in it. It's pretty clean, but I'm gonna run some antifreeze in it. That'll help, one, keep it from freezing, but two, it lubricates, and it's got some rust preventative shit in it that keeps it from rusting. So we're gonna do that right quick. Let me see. I don't know where my tripod went. So see if I set y'all up. You can watch for a little while. This should be a quick little job. So let me see. Shit, let me go get my tripod. Alrighty, I have retrieved said tripod. Let me get us in a viewable position. Bear with me, guys. Alright, this will probably be a... Damn it, camera. Steady. Here we go. Probably be a time lapse or something like that, but we'll put the antifreeze in it, circulate it through a little bit, and be done. I'm gonna add a little bit more antifreeze to it. Doesn't get cold enough down here to need it, but I mainly want it for its lubricity and anti-rusting properties. So. Gun. Oh. Come on. Yeah. All right. I'm sure that's not the best way to do it. I'll have to clean it. All right, y'all. I'm gonna put this up. I was just gonna figured I'd utilize the antifreeze that came out of the buggy. Now I'll go pour all this out someplace outside so actually probably pour it. Half of my facility is dirt floor, so I'll probably pour it. Actually, I won't pour it over there. I'm not gonna pour it over there. It's an OSHA violation or something. I'm not pouring it over there in the dirt. So. Alright, well, I appreciate you guys watching. I'm sure there'll be plenty of comments of people saying, you're not supposed to use antifreeze, you're supposed to use blah, blah, blah. I've known tons of painters that have used this and it works just fine. It can be cleaned out with water or mineral spirits or some sort of paint thinner. So, and honestly, I don't use this gun but once or twice a year. So, I think this will be just fine. I also don't leave my gun loaded completely. I want to keep some pressure on it, but I don't want to keep full pressure on it. So I mainly keep some pressure on it to keep air out of it, because if it has a little pressure on it, that means it can't have much air in it. Air is rust, and that's a problem. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay greasy.